Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create email automations in Squarespace. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on Squarespace, you can use our link in the description down below and you may get discounts and rewards upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first, log into squarespace.com, log in your account until you go to the dashboard where you will see all of your created website. But since I'm going to show you how to create an email automation in your website, Squarespace, you can just create another website. So let me just create another website right here. Just click create website and I will be redirected to this page where I will be asked what is my site is all about. So, for example, I'm just going to have a marketing website, and the step 2 out of 3, what do you want to do with your website? So, I'm just going to uh, give this or choose these options. For example, sell services, promote an event, uh, hmm, publish a blog, or other media. So click next after you're done. So now, the Squarespace, just like Wix, it will ask you to build a template using AI, or you can choose using their built-in templates, so the designer template. So you can choose from a curated set of professionally designed website templates, or you can use the Blueprint AI. So you can choose whatever you want with this, but I'm just going to choose a template for now. So if I click that, the Squarespace will show me a bunch of website templates I can use for creating a marketing website. So for example, I'm just going to use this one. I'm going to start with this design, and the Squarespace will set the things up. So after it's done, I will be redirected to this website editing builder section where I can edit my website. But now, how can I add an email automation with this with my website? How can I add an email automation in my website? So it's easy. You can just go to left side right here and just find email campaigns, and as you can see, you will be shown a bunch of email automations settings that you can add in your website. It's either thank you automation, welcome automation, promotion, newsletters, discount, etc., etc. You can add all of this in your website if you want. For example, the thank you, it automatically thanks customers once they're made their first order. So yes, that's it. Same thing with welcome, automatically send a welcome email every time someone signs up. For promotion, it shares news or raise awareness for a product, service, or event, and etc. etc. You can just read all of this description. But for now, I'm just going to choose one email automation features, which is thank you or welcome. So I'm just going to pick thank you. So it automatically thanks my customers when they purchase some of my products. So now I'm going to choose what types of automation. So just going to click this one, think first time customers. As you can see, this is how it would look. So the trigger, my customers go to my shop and purchase any of my store product, and there will be a one time a time delay, which is a day later, and the actions will be they will be sent an email that says thank you for supporting us and thank you for purchasing our product. And yes, that's it. That's how it would look like. So after that, after you see all of its features, what it can do, just click next, and you can just choose an email automation template. So I'm just going to uh choose among these templates. So maybe I choose this, and also I can customize this if I want based on my website. So I'm just going to click create automation, And as you can see, I can edit the email. I can edit also the trigger. So I can change the trigger from any store product or from any digital product. I can also enable it. And I can set after and if I choose some of this, I can select I can turn this off, this option right here, and I can select a certain product that will trigger specifically only triggers this email automation. And if I want to have any of my products trigger this email automation, I can just click this one. So it says customers purchase any store product. Same thing with this, any digital product. So for the condition, I can add a condition, uh, which is I can base it on the total order count and the total amount spent before it triggers. So yes, that's it. So after I'm done with this, I can just go to the time delay also. I can just change it from one delay to no delay at all. Or I can just customize it. I can, mm, insert a custom days for the time delay. And for now, I think it's better if there's no delay. So I'm just going to change it to no delay. And for the action, so I can edit this email automation. I can just click edit email, and right here I will be redirected to the editor. And right here I can just edit the uh, email automation page. So for example, I can just change it. Uh, I can just delete this one and only leave this text right here. Let's delete this. And yes, I can add a contact navigation bar right here that will redirect my customers to whatever page this tab right here will redirect. And yes, that's it. Also the text, I can also edit it whatever I want. So right here, that's how you can edit the email campaign. And after you're done, just go back and right here, just click activate. But since I don't have an premium plan, so that's the thing for this email automation. You need to have a upgraded plan of your Squarespace account. So if you don't have an upgraded plan of your account, you can't use email automation. So you need to upgrade it, and it can be $14 per month, and it will be based to your country. But for my country, it is $14 per month. So just purchase this one, and right here you can just create as much of email automations you want. And yes, that's it. After you activate it, this email automation will be added to your website. And yes, that's it. That's how you can create an email automations from Squarespace. And also, that's it for today's video. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one.